bit skeptical on whether we're going to get out on time.
Oh,
Yeah,
how long the first flight?
I think first flight's 10 hours to China, and then we've got about another 10 or so to Amsterdam from there.
Sweet. Is it just a quick stop over China or overnight?
Nah, it's supposed to be a 6-hour layover, but our flight is supposed to leave in 30 minutes, but I think it might be delayed, so it's probably going to be a little bit shorter, but all good. We'll just have some dinner, have something to drink, and get on the plane piss and pass out.
Fucking happy days. All right, let's quickly look at this. All right, so for the sale position, I really like this zone here. We do have this wick here that we've got to keep an eye on because we may come down and respect this level. We've got this level here. Sorry, that level there. So it is something we've got to be cautious of. But in saying that, it's not too much of a strong level, so I'm happy to put the sell position here. So I'm going to go sell. And again, I'm going to do the same as yesterday. I'm going to put 2 positions on each entry. So I'm going to do a sell position. I'm going to hold that position to a TP1. All right. And then on my second position, I'm going to hold it. I'm probably going to go to a TP3. I'm going to be a little bit conservative because I just want to take profits. I lucked out yesterday with that TP5, but we're not going to hit them every single day. So I'm going to do a TP1 and a TP3 on that position. And then the buy, if we can stay below this zone now, I really like this level. And the reason why I like this level is because we've got the wicks. See how these wicks are lining up right there?
Yeah.
So we've come in, respected it nicely and come and just missed it here. So if we can stay below this level now, I really, really do like that level. So I'll be looking at going something like this. And again, I'm going to put 2 positions on. I'm going to put 2 positions on because that worked really well yesterday. So I'm going to go TP1 on the first position, and then I'm going to chuck a TP3. I'm going to try and hold for a TP3 on the second position.
Nice, man. I love that.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, and look, man, if this keeps paying off, these 2 positions, we'll know. If we start getting faked out a lot, then whatever. But if it starts doing this, like, for example, yesterday, what have we got? We still got 6 minutes. So, for example, I'm not putting those in yet, Hustle. We'll just wait a sec. So, for example, yesterday, if we did do what my aim is to do when we start getting movement, and we just held this position all night, we would have hit a 33 to 1. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, look, I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to wait to see what the next couple of weeks do. And if we start getting big moves on gold again, then that's what I'm going to be aiming for. Holding the first position at a TP1 and hold the second position, probably either to the London session or to the next morning.
That could be massive, man.
It's going to be the aim. But finished in really good profits yesterday because getting both those positions. So I'm really happy with that. All right, on this.
So good, bro.
Yeah, on this, and what I'm going to do now, man, because we do allow that stop loss a little bit bigger to allow for spreads, we don't quite get a 1-to-1, and when we get stopped out, it doesn't quite add up. So what I'm going to try today is to go exactly where the stop loss is. So I've made it bigger. So usually we do 1.11. I've got it sitting at 1.19. We could even go a little bit. We can even go a little bit bigger, but yeah, I'll keep it at 1.19 just for today. And what I'm going to do is put the stop loss exactly at that level because I want to make sure that if we get a TP1 on the first and stopped out on the second, that we're at break even pretty much. I don't want to have too much of a loss on that. So that's how we're going to do it. All right, sell position. Okay. I'm entering that now. I'm happy with that sell. So that's where I'm going to enter the sell.
That's 3307.98, I think.
Oh, 1 second. 0.98, yep, 3307.98.
You got a stop loss there, Dave?
Yeah, I'm going to do it exactly where that is. So I'm going to go 3309.19. And then my first position, I'm closing at TP1. Gonna do it again. 3307.98. What was that stop loss I gave you? 3309.19.
3309.19.
Cool. And then on the second position, I'm going to close it at I'm going to try and hit a TP3 with that.
Hey boys, how are we?
Hey, RV, what's happening, bro?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, man. Good.
Yeah, not
I've
too bad.
never been able to come much. I just got a new job at the bank. It's like hard to, the timings are aligned.
That's all right, bro. Look, I was speaking of hustle, and we may look at start doing a couple of days a week on the London session for people who are unable
Oh,
to
that would
jump
be
in
amazing.
on the Tokyo. Yeah, so we're looking at doing that,
Yeah.
man.
If you do that, definitely. It's just in the morning, I got a new job.
Yeah.
It's hard to, you know.
Yeah, no stress, bro. Well, we're going to be looking at doing that, but if we do the on the London session, we'll be looking at trading the UK 100. We won't be trading gold on that. We'll just be trading the UK 100.
I saw your guide. I'm
Perfect.
happy with that.
Beautiful, man. Good stuff. All right, I'm going to enter this buy now. We've got 2 minutes to this close. I'm happy with where that is. So let's get it going. 3, 3, 1, 2, 0, 0.84. All right, hustle the stop loss on that. 3.
Oh man.
No worries.
Hang on a sec, dude. Just-
3311.61.
Yep.
Excellent.
What was the stop loss on the sell again, man? Sorry.
I've got that as 3309.19.
I gotta do these buy. Hang on, man. Sorry.
Yep, that's all right. Hopefully we don't break this in the next 1 minute. I want it to stay below that level.
Yeah.
Look, it's looking like it wants to push, but hopefully we can stay below this level. I have gone a little bit higher to give it a little bit of room to breathe if it does want to break through. But that can always backfire on us as well, but we'll see how we go.
But what was the buy stop loss? Sorry.
3311.61. All right, 40 seconds. Hopefully you can stay below that level of resistance. $30 seconds. Stay there. That would be nice.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
All right, 20 seconds. It wants to go. It'll be a shame if it enters us, man, because we really don't want that fake out.
Well,
3, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're on. All right. Straight into it. Straight into it. Oh, hopefully we keep pushing. Hopefully we can keep pushing. Hopefully it doesn't retrace too much. We've got this level here, again, that we had to be cautious of, which it's reacting off perfectly right now. So hopefully it doesn't get too much of a reaction off that. If it does, again, man, is what it is. No stress. We keep those sales open, and we try and make up for it on the sell. But I don't like how that candle's closing. To be honest, I don't like the reaction from that candle. But we'll see how we go. See how we go. Exactly, bro. Exactly.
I'm walking down the fucking bridge thing now to get on our flight. So
nice. All right, we're out on that. That's faked us out straight away. Yeah, all good, bro. I'm leaving that sell position open. Enjoy your trip, man. Enjoy the plane trip. Enjoying your holiday, and keep us updated, bro.
Yeah, thanks, boys. We'll do. I'll see if I can post some pictures and stuff and let you know how it's going.
Cool. Oh, dude.
Sam. Have a good one, man. Like Anthony, mate.
Yeah, thanks, boys. I'll catch you later.
Take it easy, brother. See ya. Bye.
See you, lads. Bye.
Oh, I'm going to stay on. I'm staying on, man. I'm going to stay on for at least another 20, 30 minutes. I want to know what happened to Sal. It's a real shame on that because I was going to go off this level, but these levels were so much stronger. But it is what it is, man. You can't always get it right. You can't always get it right. If we went off that level, we would have been safe, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. That's okay. It happens. Hopefully we can make up for it on this sale.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. This wait for this 5 minute. Haven't even seen this 5 minute candle. The worst thing would be now, because what would happen if we did go off this level? It's come and respected it, retrace, and then it could potentially break through. If this was our entry, but you know what, man? Like, we don't like to re-enter, so I'm just going to stick to the rules and not re-enter that. Even if it does break through, I'm just going to call it a loss for the day and let it go.
Yeah. It's the safest thing to do, man.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Just let it run, miss it, whatever. If we miss it and it goes and hits whatever, we come back tomorrow, we go again. But that was a shame that it got us like that. It looked like it wanted to push really hard.
Yeah, fucking quick, man. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it really looked like it when it was gonna, you know, those ones that jump on straight off the open and they just keep moving. Yeah, that's what I thought that was gonna be, but it doesn't matter. If we can make up on the sale, that would be lovely. If not, double fake out is what it is. This is why money management is so important.
Yeah.
We can do that. All right, sweet. All right, 1 minute to these candle closes. We'll see how the next 5 minute candle opens up. Hopefully we get some decent pushes on it. See how we go. If this level closes above here, then there's a high probability it will continue back up. If this candle closes up there, so if you go on the 1 minute, and then if this candle closes above that, then we may have just gotten a fake out and then the move. But we'll see what happens. See what it wants to do.
I was going to say,
Boom.
yeah. So what you want to do a London session? What night you reckon?
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
All right.
Yeah.
Would you want to just do one this Thursday night?
Yep.
And we'll put a post up.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, we'll go live for London on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We'll start this Thursday. We'll do the UK one. Do the UK 100.
People in to around that time maybe.
Yeah, it is hard. Look, the Tokyo Open is a hard time because obviously people have got to work. So, and depending where they are in the world as well. So what we'll do, we'll do what we usually do, man. We'll wait to 10:30. If we don't have anything, if this position doesn't fill by 10:30, we just leave it. I'm just going to leave it open. It's what happened yesterday, except we managed to hit a TP1 at least yesterday. So yesterday we hit the TP1 on the first position, that closed off. The second position got stopped out, so we'll basically break even, give or take a few dollars. And then I left this position open because it was a break even on that. I left this position open and managed to get the 1 and the 5. So that was a really, really, really good trade. That was a good trading day. And that's why I thought today we'll just go for a 3. Now the thing about this is we're not going to hit them as often, so you just got to be willing to take a couple of losses. But when you do hit them, that's when you start cleaning up. We should start cleaning up. So just got to be willing to take those losses. Yeah, we might get 3 days in a row of losses before we hit some big moves on that. But we'll see. And not even losses, just break evens, because we usually do hit TP1 at least.
So cold, man.
Yeah, it's freezing, dude. Freezing.
Sick as shit.
Might just let everyone who's on the call now, I might just let them know there is. I wanted RV to know. It's all right. Hopefully he jumps back on. Have you kicked that guy out the group?
Yeah, I did, man.
All right. So just so everyone knows, if anyone got messaged by, where is he? Oh, he's probably gone now, huh?
Paddy, I think his name was. Changed it to Paddy.
Changed his name to Paddy. He was a scammer in the group, so we've got rid of him. Oh, yeah, this guy here. Yeah, it's been deleted. Yeah. So his name was Paddy. So if anyone got any messages from a guy named Paddy, yeah, he's a scammer. So
Stay clear, man. Stay clear, delete and block.
Stay clear. To be honest with you, stay clear. If you're getting messages, if you get invites, or messages or whatever, just be cautious, man. Just be cautious what they are. If there's someone in the group and they're asking genuine questions, no worries. But if you got someone saying, oh, come check out this or put in links and click on this link, just don't do it. It's not worth the risk. And same, if anyone got any inboxes from Hustle, it wasn't him. So there's a scammer on here pretending to be him as well. So just be aware of that. And as the group grows, obviously it's going to happen a lot. So just be smart. Just be smart and just don't listen to too many people if they're asking you to click links or anything like that, or give them money. All right. Let's go.
Big little pump this morning, and that was it. Slowed right down.
Yeah, it has.
9 minutes.
Yeah, it hasn't been long. This is a nice bearish candle if it closes strong, as long as it stays above this level here, above our level of support. But I do like the way that's pushing.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can make up for it, man, on this sell position. Now that it reacted off this zone, I'm just worried about this level here, but we can't. There's so many levels. There's that level there. There's that level there. There's this, you know what I mean? There's that level there. So you just got to kind of make up your mind and go, yep, that's one. That one's stronger. Let's go off that. Yeah, it would have been nice to hit that this morning for Sam, walking on the plane. Bang, made some cash, jumped on the plane, and see you later,
Yeah.
Bummer. All right, let's see what this next candle wants to do. It's a little bit of a gap there. Bit of slippage there. Long. Come on. Yeah, if you want to chuck that other channel in that we'll discuss in this morning, and then I'll put some links. I'll put some links and stuff in there.
Yeah, sweet.
Even though you don't want to do it now, just while we're waiting. Have you got access to it or not?
I'm doing a bit of shit at the moment.
Yeah, sweet.
You want in the background.
Don't you know no one alive will always be an angel? Very slow, man. Very, very slow. Spewing we got done on that fake out. What a shame. What a shame. We got 20 more minutes. Crime, 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 shame. I do like this level now, but I'm not doing it. I'm not going to do it. Not worth it. Might message Troy today, see how he's doing.
Yeah, when you see it, it was yesterday or Friday, maybe.
No, he hasn't been on for a while, man.
I had to sorry, straight.
Nah, yeah.
I've got to go on mute.
Oh, cool.
Just got to go on mute.
Yep, sweet. Come on, make a move. Very, very slow morning. Very slow. But the same thing happened yesterday. I think we we didn't hit this position until an hour in, and then we got this big position an hour and 15 minutes later. So, and it decided to move decent. So see how we go. Does look like it wants to push up though. Let's fulfill this imbalance here. It's reacting off there. It does look like it wants to push up. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You going to react off that? Let's go. All right, 15 more minutes. I'm going to wait 15 more minutes. And if we don't get a move in the next 15 minutes on either position, I do think this is going to want to push. And I'm a bit hesitant. But yeah, if it does break this level, it should get a decent push, I would say. But we don't re-enter. we just let it go, miss the trade, and come back tomorrow. What do you reckon, Hustle? Put a enter there.
You really fucking want it, don't you?
Wow, this is just such a strong level now. And if it does break that, we should get a decent push because look, there's nothing above it. You know, we've got these levels all the way back here. Up there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or just leave it. Just leave it. Call it a... If it doesn't fulfill these sell positions, just call it a loss and come back tomorrow. I do like it.
Hey?
I do like it. I do like that position.
Yeah, I know.
Let me have a look. I think I'm going to do it, man. I just like it.
Look, I mean, as a trade, as a new trader, you know, it's something that we tell them because we've learned from our mistakes a million times.
100%.
But as an experienced trader,
you can see.
You would take it. That's exactly right. You can see, and to be honest, you would take that risk.
Yeah.
But it's just.
Definitely as a beginner, there's no way I'll do it. Just take the loss and come back tomorrow.
That's right, and we wouldn't suggest for any, and you wouldn't suggest for any beginner to take that risk.
No. No way.
But as an experienced trader, you can see, you know, you've got more ideas on how the candles work, and you can see that in.
Yeah. Doesn't want to paste that. Something like that. Nice, so stopped out on that one. I've done it because I really like that level now. I've done it. I've put these two positions in. I really like this level. I like the way it's reacted off it, and it's staying clean. It's staying clean in this zone. So if we do get a solid breakout, we should hopefully get a decent push because our next levels are like over here. You know, these are nothing. No, but probably like up here at least somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if this does decide to break out above this level, hopefully it should at least get to that zone there, which is well above our TP3, our take profit zone.
Yeah.
But we'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. Move that. Cry and shame. Put that over here. Yep. All right, we'll wait 9 more minutes. We'll wait for the closure of the next 5-minute candle, and then if nothing's happening, we'll leave it for it is, and then just come back tomorrow and see how it all played out.
Yeah.
See how it plays out. Sam, funny fucker. Standing in the line, going onto the plane at the airport.
He was the same on like another page.
Oh, was she?
Yeah.
That's the best. That's so
They'll be
good.
doing it.
No, 100% they will. It's their passion. It's what they
You
love.
can't help it.
No.
Yeah, it's what you love.
That's what you love. It's your passion. You're going to go for it. Damn, man. It just would have been so nice. I would have been happy to take losses all week this week if Sam got that move today. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, hopefully you can make up for it on this one. I just messaged Troy. He's just had twins, man. Oh no! I'm like, how you going? Hey?
Is that his first?
Yeah.
Or-
Yeah. That's it. You'd be done now, wouldn't you? Bang, twins, done. See you later.
So, boy and a girl, or?
Don't know, man.
No.
He just sent me. I just said, "You want to grab a coffee this week?" And he sent me a photo and go, "This happened."
This happened.
Yeah. So I think he'll be out of action. You just said he'll be out of action for a while. Like, yeah, fair play. 100% you will be, mate. 100%. Uh, 1 minute to this candle closes. We'll wait for that next 5 minute candle, see what it wants to do, and then yeah. Oh, do you want to put that? If you're not doing anything, do you want to put that channel up? And I'll start putting everything in there now. May as well do something more with Sin on here.
What's it called?
Um, 1 second. I think maybe like private mentorship. What do you reckon? Coaching? Whatever you reckon.
Yeah, sweet. I remember it. Yeah.
I'll just put like a at in the group. Let everyone know it's there. Oh, I can't write in anything either, man. So I'm locked out of it. Oh, actually, the trading view setup, I'm locked out of that. I went to edit it yesterday. I couldn't edit it. But I can get into everything. I can write on everything else. But that's all right. We'll worry about that later. It's not important. We'll do this other channel and then we'll sort that shit out later. Whoa. Oops. Damn. Oh well. All right. And, I at everyone in the yeah, I'll do it in there. I'll wait till how long we got? 3 more minutes, man. We'll jump off and then I'll write in that group, in that channel.
Yep.
But doesn't look like, we'll probably even do it now. No, I'll wait because that 10:30 candle could jump, so we'll just wait. What do we got? 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Let's get a move. I need to chat to you, man. Can you jump on a call as soon as when we get off?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got something to tell you. We'll yeah, when we jump off, I'll jump in my car and I'll call you in the car. Make sure you answer.
Yeah.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. It is creating an uptrend.
I hope they just add me on me.
What's that?
I think I added you as an admin now. I'm still trying to work out Discord a bit.
Yeah, that's all right. Look.
Just got to mute.
Yep. What do we got now? 30 seconds. On this next 5-minute candle, when it opens, if we don't get a decent push to either direction, we'll jump off the stream for today and come back tomorrow and just see how it played out. But I've put the buy position here now, so I'll hold both positions open and just see how we go. 10 seconds. See how this next candle opens up if it wants to move. Nah, we'll call it a day. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave the buy positions open. I'm going to set an alert there so I know when they've entered. And I'm going to leave the sell position open as well. Send alert there, and then when one alert goes off, I'll close that one position off. And yeah, if the buy goes off, I'll close the sell. If the sell goes off, I'll close the buy. Call it a day. Come back tomorrow. See how we went. Cool.
Beautiful.
All right. Cheers.
Catch you later.
Yeah. So that's it. Just a bit of a slow day today. We got faked out on the first position. But that's okay. Like I said, I really like this level now. We were originally going to go off that level, but I like this one a little better. So we got faked out. Doesn't matter. I'm going to re-enter on these ones. I don't usually do that, but I do like this level. So if we do get a decent push, our next level of resistance is into there. So hopefully we can get at least to that. I'm going to close the first position at TP1 and the second position at a TP3. See how we go. We'll come back tomorrow and check it out. See you then.